Good morning. Today we're going to cover some of our optional services after we install a piece of equipment, whether it's a water softener or a reverse osmosis unit. If you decide you would like to sign up for our convenience package, and again, it's not a maintenance contract or anything else, we just offer it for people who are very busy or just want us to look after the equipment. What we do is we come on out, we will top off the system with salt, we will check over the system, we will test for soft water on the cold side and on the hot side. Just make sure that your equipment is working in peak condition, and it's nothing you have to schedule. We'll reach out to you on either a quarterly or biannually basis and ask you when it would be convenient for us to come on by and check the equipment over. We will bring a TDS meter to test for total dissolved solids. We will ask to come in, get a water sample, and again we will look over the equipment, whether it's hanging on the wall in the garage or underneath the kitchen sink, and we will make sure that the reverse osmosis unit is running to peak performance and give you peace of mind that it's working okay. If you have any other questions, please give us a call and we can explain in more detail how all this works. Thank you.